students. This is part 3 of chapter 2 whole numbers. We are discussing about some properties of whole numbers. In part 2 we have studied about properties of addition. Now let us see if the same properties are applicable in subtraction or not. Do you remember what was the first property? Closure property. What was closure property? If we add two whole numbers, the result is a whole number. Now here we shall see if we subtract two whole numbers, is the result a whole number or not? The whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. The difference of two whole numbers may not be a whole number. What is the first rule of subtraction? If 19 is equal to A and 17 is equal to B, A minus B, that means 19 minus 17 is equal to 2, which is a whole number. If I take A smaller than B, in the second case, I have taken A as 7 and B as 8. 7 is less than 8. We cannot subtract a smaller number from a greater number. So 7 minus 8 we cannot define. It is not a whole number. Therefore, in subtraction, the closure property doesn't hold good. Now property number 2. Do you remember the commutative property of addition? What was that? That was, if A and B are two whole numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now in case of subtraction, let us see if A minus B is equal to B minus A or not. Suppose A equal to 7 and B equal to 3. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Now B I shall write as first term and A 7 as second term. But here B is less than A. 3 is less than 7. So we cannot define. Therefore, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. A minus B was 4, but B minus A we cannot define. Property number 3. If A is any whole number, then A minus 0 is A, but 0 minus A is not defined. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, but 0 minus 9 we cannot define because 0 is less than 9. Property number 4. If A, B and C are three whole numbers, then within bracket A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. This is known as associative property. So we shall check if associative property holds good for subtraction or not. Let us have some three numbers, 19 as A, 5 as B and 3 as C. Now A minus B is grouped together, and from the result we subtract C. A minus B means 19 minus 5 minus 3. Within the bracket we shall do the subtraction first. 19 minus 5 is 14 minus 3, which will give us 11. In the second equation, that is A minus B minus C within bracket, 19 minus bracket within bracket 5 minus 3. So the operations, the subtraction we shall do first. It will give 5 minus 3 will give 2. So 19 minus 2 is equal to 17. So in the first equation we got 11, and in the second equation we got 17. 11 is not equal to 17. Therefore, associativity doesn't hold good for subtraction. Now the fifth property is, if A, B and C are whole numbers such that A minus B is equal to C, then B plus C is equal to A. Suppose I have A equal to 13, B equal to 5. 13 minus 5 will give 8, which I have written as C. Now B plus C, that means 5 plus 8 should be equal to A, that is 13. So 5 plus 8 gives us 13. We shall use these properties to find solution of different problems. Now let us start with example 1. Subtract and the result by corresponding addition. That means here we shall use property number 5. I am given two numbers A and B. A is 45,697 and B is 23,195. Now A minus B will give 22,502. A minus B equal to C. C we have got 22,502. Now we have to check if we add B and C, is it equal to A? Now let us check. B plus C, 22,502 plus B is 23,195. If we add, we have got 45,697, which is equal to A. So B plus C is equal to A. We have got the result. Now let us see little bit difficult problems. In the example I have taken, fill the correct digits in the following subtraction problems. I have taken 8675 as A and 2 boxes and 49 as B. I have to fill up the boxes with some digits, and the result is 4,800 and some boxes I have to fill. In the first part, what I have done? I have done subtraction. 75 minus 49. It will give 26. So we got C, the complete number, 4826. Our A is 8675. From B we do not know first two digits, and C we have got 482 and 6. Now we have to find a number which, when subtracted from 8675, gives 4826. So what I have to do? I have to subtract 4826 from 8675. I have to subtract C from A. After subtraction, I got B. B is 3849. So in the blank book places of digits, I shall have 3 and 8. Let us check an example. On the screen, I have written one problem with some black boxes. You have to fill up the black boxes with suitable digits. I have solved the problem with 5 steps. Step number 1, I have written the problem. Step number 2, I tried to fill up the rightmost black box of first row, that is, which I have written it as A. So as we know, B plus C is equal to A, we have done earlier. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So in the rightmost black box, the suitable digit is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then we move to the second right position, that is tens place. 7 minus 2 is 5. So in the second step, we have got 2 black boxes filled up. So 8 7 blank 7 6 minus blank blank 6 to 5 is equal to 73951. In the third step, I have written row 1, that is A, then B and C. As we know, B plus C equal to A. So to fill up the black box of hundreds position, what we have to do? We have to add B and C. 9 plus 6 is 15. So the black box of first row, A row, I can write 5. So we got in the fourth step 4, I have written the digits which we have found out till now, that is 87576 minus blank blank 625 is equal to 73951. Now we have left 2 blank spaces to fill up. If we subtract A minus C, we get B. So in fifth step, I have subtracted C from A. so that I get B. After subtraction, the blank spaces, we have values 1 and 3. So, in sixth step, I can write the whole sum with the digits we have found out. Now next, solve a question. What must be added to 135642 to get the sum as the greatest number of 6 digits? Now the question is, what is the greatest number which can be written with 6 digits? That is 999999. So the number required is the difference of 999999 and 135642. That is, if we subtract 135642 from 999999, we get the answer. We got 864357 after subtraction. Therefore, 864357 should be added to 135642 to get 999999. Do your classwork from exercise 2.2, question number 2, exercise number 3, page number 27. Do your homework from exercise 2.3, question number 1, you do the second question. Question number 4, again you do the second question. Question number 5 and question number 7. Page number is 29. And that is for today. And have a nice day.